Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this Blender tutorial, we'll be modeling a simple 3D object. Okay, we'll be creating a 3D object in the Blender. So by watching this video, you will now you will know how to create simple 3D objects in the Blender. Okay, yeah. So stay tuned to the channel. Watch the videos, and there are Blender videos which are also available in Telugu in my channel. So if there are any Telugu students, you can go through the Telugu videos also. If you don't know Telugu, you can also watch this English video. And yeah, let's start the modeling. So first of all, we need a reference, right? So see, I'm going to tell you how to take a reference first of all. Okay, so to take a reference, see, one thing you can do is you can go where you have downloaded that one. I have downloaded this cup image here. You can just go to the front view by pressing the 1 in the keyboard, and yes, take this image and just drag and drop here, and you will get the cup image. Okay, like this. But for now we don't want that. I just keep it like this, and I will see the cup and I will just model it. Okay, so first of all, before starting the model, creating that, so I want to tell you some key points. So when you are about to create a model, when you are creating a model, or when you are already creating a model, see, always you do one thing. First of all, before starting the model, you should do one thing, that is, you should check the shape. You should check like what it looks like, what are the proportions, approximately, not exactly. I don't say exactly, but approximately you should analysis. Okay, you should do the analysis on the 3D model. Okay, now see, this cup is in a sort of cylindrical, right? And of course this handle also in a cylindrical way, right? Like cylindrical, right? So yeah, so I am doing the analysis like this. See, these proportions I have seen. Okay, fine, I have an idea about these proportions. And now see, this is a cylindrical one, and yes, when on the top side it has diverged, like it is big in size, and when it goes down it is converging, like it is going small. Okay, right? So all these things I have noticed. Now I will start modeling. So this cup modeling, I will divide it into two parts. First part, I will just model this body, only this body. In the second part, I will be making that handle. Okay, yeah. So first we will start the cup. So to start the cup, see, I have already told you that is a cylindrical shape. By the analysis, I came to know that the cup is in a cylindrical shape, right? So I should take a cylinder now. Of course, I can also do that with a cube also, but as it is already in the cylindrical shape, I can just go to the cylindrical shape, right? So shift, if you click, you know how to take the object, right? Shift A, or you can go to the add, mesh, and cylinder. I will just take shift A and mesh, cylinder. Okay, now this is the cylinder I have here. After taking the cylinder, just click this add cylinder panel, it will appear. I want to take up to 16, not, I don't want 32. For now I want 16. Okay, 16 will be good, will be easy to manipulate. You can also take the fill also. Nothing means you will get a tube like thing, or n-gon means you will get a closing, and another thing is triangle fan. This is just like a closing. Okay, yeah. So just take make it default, right? Now yes, click outside. Now by left clicking the mouse button, I have selected the cylinder, and I can just simply move this in the Z axis. But don't do that. Okay, in the Blender, don't do anything in the object mode. Okay, if you do anything in the object mode, when you are editing, you will face problems. Okay, so don't do anything. Don't move, don't scale, don't anything. Okay, don't do anything in the object mode. Just click tab, go to the edit mode. After that, if there is nothing selected, you can press A to select all, and after that G and Z. Now you can move, now you can scale, now you can do whatever you want. Okay, now you can do whatever you want. So in the edit mode, like see, so according to this cup shape, what I will do is, first of all, let me tell you one simple problem here. See, If I go to the front view, or maybe I mean just in a perspective, if I select the vertex down, all the down vertex, these vertex are not selected, only these vertexes are selected. Now see, if I click this, only these vertexes, so the vertexes which are visible to us are getting selected, not the one backside. So to select like that, to select everything, you need to do one thing, that is you need to click Alt Z, which is a shortcut for X-ray mode. This is the X-ray mode. Okay, you can also just go to the wireframe mode, it will automatically turn on the X-ray, or you can just stay in the shaded mode and click Alt Z. After clicking Alt Z, whatever the rotation, whatever the side you are in, you can select everything. Okay, you can select everything like that. Now coming to the cup, I will just scale it. Okay, yeah, scaled it, done. I need to keep it down. Yeah, this is enough. Yes, scaled it, just scaled it, nothing I have done, just scaled it. Okay, now I have scaled it, fine. But for the cup there will be a hole here, right? So it will hold some liquid, so there should be a hole. So I will go to the face selection. 3 is for face selection, 3. And now I can I should give some thickness, right? So there is a thickness here, see, there is a thickness here, so I should give that thickness, right? So to give that thickness, I can press I for insert, right? Yes, now I have inserted, right? Inserted. Now what should I do? I should extrude, E, and extrude in the Z axis. Z, you can click Z. Okay, after that keep it down here, up to here, scale it. So we have the hole, right? Yeah, we have the hole now. Okay, fine. Now in the downside, see in the image there is a smoothness, very smooth, right? So we should do that smoothness also. So to do that, you can simply again click I for insert, or just click the face, select the face and click Ctrl B to bevel. So if you click this, like you are getting like this, right? So you need more smoothness, so use the scroll button to scroll it like this. So now the cup got smoothed out. Okay, now there is no segment in middle, right? There is a segment here and there is a segment here, there is no segment in the middle. So you should add the segment. Whatever the model you are creating, you should follow the flow. So if I go to this mode, like edge selection mode, if I select, double click on this, the whole segment is completely selected, right? So this is a correct flow, this is a complete flow. Whenever you create some object, 3D object, the flow should be in a correct manner. Okay, like this, it should be a complete flow. Okay, you should not, and it should be a 4 vertexes, 1 2 3 4, not 3 or more than 4. Should at last keep it in the 4 vertex and complete flow. Okay, and also in order to see, when you create something, you will just go you will definitely go to the modifier and you will add some modifier like subdivision. Subdivision makes it smooth, but when you use the subdivision, see what happened. If I click the wireframe here, see what happened here. The vertex is big, the edges fell down. See, actually this is the shape, but the shape is gone now because there is no there is no supporting segments, there is no continuation. Okay, there is no continuation, so you should maintain that continuation, right? So to maintain that one, what you should do, click tab, edit mode, you should do the loop cut. What is the loop cut? Control R, and I want 2 things, that is I will use the scroll button, scroll it, I added 2 segments. Now there is a continuation, after this there is a continuation, and after this there is a continuation with the edge, and after that there is a continuation here, right? And in the inside part also I will do the same, Control R and scroll the middle mouse button, 2 added, and left click and left click, completed. Yeah, this one is also completed. So next thing is we should smooth it out, right? There is a smoothness here, we should smooth that out, right? So to smooth that, what should I do? Click this one and this one. Shift, you can select two things with clicking the shift, and double click on edge to select whole edge, and shift and double click on edge to select the whole edge. Okay, like left middle mouse button, see, left middle mouse button to select, right? So if I click one time, it is only selecting one edge. If I click double times at a time, it is selecting the whole edge. Again, shift and double click, whole edge it is selected. Now in order to smooth it out, what should I use? I use here, what did I use here? I used here Control B, which is bevel. I can use the same here, Control B, bevel. Just smoothed out. It got smoothed out. Good, looking good. Wireframe should be off. Looking good. So our cup is basically shape is completed. Basically our cup shape is completed. Basic shape is completed. So to smooth it out, you can use modifier called subdivision surface. Before doing that, I will let you know one thing, that is, if I go to the object mode, you can see the edges still here, right? Sharpness of the edges, right? You can see that. Why that is showing, right? So you should know that, right? So if you click on if you select the object and you go to the object here, there is a shading options, shade smooth and shade flat. Present it is in the shade flat. Okay, that is why you are seeing the flat things, like, see, like this cuts. If you don't want to see that flat things, you should go to should select the object and select the shade smooth. Select the object, go to the object and shade smooth. Now it is smoothed out. See, it is looking very smooth. But here there is a problem, so we should fix that. So everything is smooth now, but one problem is, take the edge selection or face selection, insert once and bevel this one. Bevel this. Select this edge and bevel. Control B. Yes, this is what the cup looks like from the inside. Okay. Now the cup is completed. You can just, for the smoothness, you can go to the add modifier. See, this is the option. Okay. This is the context in modifiers option. Okay. This is the context modifier options. Click this and subdivision. Now it got smoothed out, right? You can go and smooth it out more. You can switch on the wireframe, so you can see now, right? What is this subdivision modifiers doing? It is subdividing the faces and making it smooth. Okay, now it is smoothed out, right? Now it is not smoothed out. You can use this to switch and off and on. See, now it is smoothed out, right? Switch off the wireframe. Very smooth, looking like a cup without handle. Okay, so yeah, we will do that. We will do the handle in the next video. So stay tuned and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get the notifications. I will be doing lots of videos, so I don't want you to miss, and of course you don't want to miss. Okay, yeah. So yes, this is it for this video. We'll meet in the next video.